here. And this is again, as I say, that this is the recording. Yes, somebody is talking, Maitha. Okay, now we are going to learn how we can edit the photo. Okay, this is one of the things that it is photo pink, C-P-A-I-N-T, pink 3D. This is called one of the things that you can get it, okay, with the application, window application here, pink 3D. Okay, so I will teach you with this one. Again, for those who don't have computer, you can use other things like a mobile. Okay, you have many things over there. And then one thing I want to show is that this is the things this morning I try it just to show you, because you have to choose any two pictures, because this is I take it from the internet. Then after that I combine here. Okay, for example, this picture, the photo, I cut it and then I put it in here. Okay, then after that I write it something here. This is a text, I write it, and then after that I add one of the butterfly here in this area. This is a small butterfly. So you only have to do the those things. Okay, they combine the two picture and then try to add this text and then try to add one of the 3D icon here. So this is the things. Then another one is also I do with these things. As you know here, these are this girl with the garden. Okay, so these two pictures, I combine it here. And then here, I even add this girl with the balloon. Okay, one of the balloon is given. And then this is, I write it something here. Okay, so this is one of the tasks that you have to do regarding these subjects. Okay, so how can you edit the photo using the whatever software? Okay, you can even use for your small baby or your pictures, also no problem. Okay, so choose, because I just want you, no need to submit now. This is the regarding about the chapter 4, only chapter 4, but I just show you now as a practical part, because this is one of the 5 marks project that you have to do. Do any two pictures and then combine it, and then you have to add the things, and then after that this the 3D, only this thing you have to do. Okay, so let's start here. This one I do it using the pink 3D, but for you, you can use your mobile also, no problem. Okay, so when I'm going to open it here, okay, I will choose the new one here, and then from here I'm going to select, because I downloaded the and the desktop, I have some of the pictures downloaded. Okay, now I'm going to choose the girl. This is I gave the name girl 3 here. Okay, then after I choose, this is the girl here. Okay, so this girl, I'm going to edit the pictures now, because see, the background of the girl is going to be changed. So it means that I have to take out only the girl from here. So how you are going to take it out here? By using this software, we have to choose here called Magic Secret or Magic Select. So when I click the Magic Select here, and then after that, when I click the next here, and then they selected this part. They say that you want to select these things only or not. But I need to select from this part also. Okay, sometimes some of the pictures, they select everything. Okay, they select everything. Okay, some of the pictures, they select everything. But some of the picture, if not selected, you have to select by yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to remove some of the part here. So that's why I have to remove here. You can edit, and here you can remove it. Yes, somebody talking? Okay, Maitha. Okay, so I'm going to remove this part here now, because now the picture automatically selected only this part. Okay, now I have to remove this part here. So that's why how you are going to remove, when I click this one, I'm going to remove this part here. Sorry. See, I will remove this part, and then I just remove it this part here. Okay, so this is the things they're removing part. Okay, so actually again also it shouldn't be, I mean, like very perfect like this. But for example, if you see some of the part here, you want to delete it from here also, you can delete some, just cut it here. because in order to make sure. So this is the things, the small thing also you can delete. So for example, in this place also, if you want to delete this color, just like here, and then just do it like this, then it is automatically deleted like this. Okay, so these are the small things that, okay, you can do it. Okay, and here also again, you can delete this small thing if you want to delete it. Okay, and by looking at this picture now, the selection part is here now. From here, this picture is coming out like this, because the line is in this place here. And this part is also coming. But when you look at this, the flower stem she is holding, this is cut it here. So when you are cutting, if you want to add, you can use this one for adding. So this part is for removing and this part is for adding here. So for adding, just draw this line. What do you want to add? Then it is automatically add. And then and here also you can add it automatically. And these are the automatically adding. Okay. And after that, for example, this flower also, if you want to add, you can just add it like this and it's automatically add. But these are the some extra.
Doctor,
Yes.
Doctor, again, but network is not good. But the closed network.
Okay, I will do it for you again. Okay, now just cover it and then I will upload and the YouTube also you can watch. Now I'm recording. Okay, I know that you cannot understand now. I will repeat again and then this video recording I will put it in the YouTube and then you can do it again also, inshallah. You understand, right?
Okay, Doctor.
Don't worry. Okay, I will. I'm recording now. This one I will put it on YouTube and then I will put the link there. Okay, so this remove is for the extra part. For example, if you want to remove this part, you just come and draw this part. So this is remove here now. So for the add here, when you click the add, for example, if you want to add this small part, this stick, just add it like this here. So these are the things, for example, and here also, these things is not included. If you want to add, you just draw like this. This is included. So this is the things. Okay, so for adding means that if you want to add something, you can add it. For deleting, removing, if you want to remove something, okay, you can just remove it from, just click and remove it from there. So by looking at these pictures, you already have this line. When you look at this line, it is going to be like this. See, it is already coming out like this, and then until this stick is already here. I will show you again this one now. Okay, then after that, when I click the done here, it is slow. And then this is the thing. See, I can even move these things now. See, this picture is moving. This is the one that I have selected this thing just now. Okay, just now I cut it from the pictures. You know, you see these things. Okay, this is how it is done with this one. I just take out the pictures from the things, from the, the pictures. Yes, somebody is talking? I thought. You cannot see? Can you see? This is the thing. See, this is how it is like photo editing is this one. So I can go and put it in a beautiful garden, this one. So how it is the picture can be edited. So for this one, I will just copy here. Okay, I will show you again since the beginning, don't worry. Then I'm going to open the new one here. Do you want to save? Don't save because I will show you again. Then here I'm going to open the new one. Sorry, browse. And then this one is there. I'm going to use the flower now. I'm going to show two things now. This is I will put the flower at the back. And then I say, okay. So this is the flower background now. So now I'm going to add a girl picture. Just now I brought it. I just click here and I just paste it here. So this picture is very big size. So that's why the girl picture is very big now. No, don't worry. I can resize the smaller one. So I will going to resize here, the smaller size. I'm resizing. I'm making the smaller. Sorry. It's stuck. Okay. And then based on the size there, how you want it. So for example, this is one of the things that I just put it here like this. Or you can put it in this place, middle place, or whatever place, or this place. It is up to you. Okay, how you want to design. This is up to the really the editor. Okay, so for me, I just put it here. Okay, and here even there you can make it this like this one. You want to do it this one, or you want to do it upside down. This is very, I mean, the interesting if you really want to do. So now I already put it these things. This picture is taken out from the another one. Okay, then after that, I will show you with the another example also, don't worry. And this one also, I will upload it. Okay, don't worry. Okay, and now,
Okay.
yes, now I want you have to, because after combining two things, then you one thing you have to do is you have to add the text here, txt tag. You have to give the name of the pictures. Okay, just click the text here. And then in this text, you have like, this is called the 2D text, and then this is the 3D text. You can choose any one, no problem. 3D text is a little bit, I mean, like, I will choose 2D only. And then after that, you can choose the font shape. What is the shape you want to use it? Okay, for example, I don't know which shape you like to use it. And then you can just choose it here. Okay, I will just choose this one. And then you can choose the color also. What color you want to put it here. Okay, for example, if I want to put it this color, I will just choose this color. And then you can choose the size also. What size you want to put it. For example, if I want to put it the 12, then I will put it only 12. So this is the thing. This is the font type. And then this is the font type, and this is the font color. And then you can even make the bold, italic, and underline also here. Okay, so then where you want to write, you bring it here. Okay, I bring it here. Okay, and here I can write it. Okay, for example, I will write girl, beautiful girl, or cute girl, C-U-T, cute girl, G-I-R-L, girl with flower. So anything you can put it, okay? So this is just I want you to know how to include the text. This is the things. Text also you can put it in this place or this place. After typing, you can move around here. Okay, so this is one of the things, okay? To get with flowers. So these are the one of the names you can put it, and you can even make it like this. This is only the one line, and then you can make it this one, the smaller. Okay, so anything you can adjust these things. Okay, so this is up to the user, okay, how you want to edit it. So this is one of the things. The first thing is that you have to choose any two pictures, and then one pictures you cut it and then put it, combine it in here, and then another thing is that you add the, okay, one of the text here. Okay, so this is the two things. And then another thing is the last one, what you have to do is that you have to choose any 3D shape here, any 3D shape. Okay, 3D shape here, and you choose it here. You go to the Open 3D Library. When you click Open 3D Library here, and then you can see many things here. You can add many things, or you can even add, you can type it here what you want to add. You can put the flower or something like this. Okay, for me, if you want to choose the one of the butterfly here, and that example, I choose the butterfly. You can even add the cake or whatever it is. So when I'm going to choose the butterfly here, okay, so there are many kind of the box is here, okay, so you can choose the butterfly here, or you can choose like this kind of things, any things you can choose it, okay. So for example, if I want to choose the butterfly here, okay, so this butterfly is adding to these pictures now. Okay, it is a little bit slow. Let's see. I don't know, it is the internet is slow, maybe it is taking time. Just wait for a while. Because now I'm adding in this picture the butterfly, okay? So these are the only three things that you have to do, okay? Choose any two pictures, and then one of the pictures you have to cut it, and then you come and paste it as a background, okay, for the pictures. Then after that, you have to put the title of the pictures or give the name for the pictures. I don't know why it is very so slow. Maybe my internet connection is not good. Yes, somebody is writing something. This is a 3D, pink 3D. Do you have it? Type it and here, pink 3D, P-A-I-N-T, pink 3D. This is called, see here, P-A-I-N-T, pink 3D. This is not in the internet, it is in the computer. If you have a Windows 10, you can have a pink 3D, okay? This is a pink 3D. Okay, now, see the butterfly, the size is very big, so that's why this is the very big butterfly is there. So you can make the smaller size as you know, you can adjust the size based on the here. And then even you can adjust the C position here. For example, you want the butterfly like this or butterfly like this or whatever is the size. See, this is the things. Okay, so these are the how you can do it interestingly. Okay, it is really interesting. And then it is really things. You can even adjust this thing like you want to do it like this or whatever. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, so you can play around with many things here. For example, even this one upside down, if you want to do upside down or whatever size you want it. Okay, so these are the things that you can adjust it. Okay, so this is the things. So if you want it to be the butterfly smaller only, then you can make it a smaller butterfly here. Okay, so this is a really interesting. So these are the things. I have only the smaller butterfly here. I put it on the smaller butterfly. So only these three things are necessary. Okay, choose any two pictures, but the background pictures must be the one that usually this one is that you are going to cut these things and then you will come and paste it here. And then next one is you add the text. And then after that, you are going to add one of the 3D shape. Okay, you go to open 3D library and then one of the shape. So this is the task that you need to know. Okay, so as a basic, okay, for the photo editing, okay, so this is a really interesting things, and then really things that when you want to make it a beautiful, okay, for your friends or for yourself. Okay, so this is really interesting one. Okay, then after that, what you are going to do is that you just save it, file, okay, save as or save, and then you can save as image here, image, and then just save it. Okay, after you, otherwise you can adjust the here or you just save it, and then you give the name. Just give the name. I will give the name here. Cute girl with flower. I just give because I have many names here now. Cute girl with flower. Okay, so I just give the name here. So after that, save here now. Okay, so now when you go and see, this is the thing, because this morning I practice as here. I take out the two photos from the internet, and then this is a little bit slow again when opening. My computer is really slow. No problem, I will open it for you here. Together with the flowers, I open with photo, because sometimes this takes time. I don't know, because my computer is also quite old, so it is taking time. Just be patient, little one. So this is the things that whatever we did just now. Okay, so these are the cute girl with flower. Two picture I combine, and then I put the text, and then I put the one of the 3D shape. Okay, so let's go for the another one now. Okay, so let's go for the another one. Let me open the things again, and I will show you. Okay, new. Do you want to save? Don't save. I already saved as an image. And then now I have a new now. I go to the menu and then open new. Just click the open news, and then after the browse file. Because I will show you again the how to cut the girl pictures. This is the important step. Girl 3, I choose it. Okay. So this girl has a background pictures of here. Okay. So the first thing what you have to do is that you have to go to here, magic select. This is the magic select. When you click the magic select, okay, then which means that then after select, then you have to go to next here. You have to go to next. After click the magic slash, you have to go to next. Okay. When you click the next, then you will see here add and remove. Remove means that which part you want to remove. Add means that which one you want to include. So when you check these things, you have to check the first time the line here. This line show that, okay, they are going to remove this part here, only this side part. And then after that, this line show that they are going to remove this part. So which means that they are not going to remove this part because the lines start from here. And then they see that this black color lines they are going to remove. So they are going to take this from here. This is also including. They are going to take everything. Okay, so that's why we have to remove this part now. This mark will need to be removed. So that's why what you are going to do, you click the remove and you start from here. That you are going to remove from here. No need to be perfect. Just draw the line by saying that you want to remove some of the part. No need to be perfect. Just draw, okay, some of the part that you want to delete. Okay. See, now this is this check is there. Now it means that they are going to remove this part because this shape is like this. So when you check the line here, this color, the blue color, not the blue color, this is looks like they're a little bit green. And then this line is showing that they are going to remove this part and then only taking the girl pictures and then now here, and then they will take from here because they are going to delete this part now. Okay, so now here some of the part, if you don't want to remove, you can just, again, you can cut it like this. I want to remove this part because this part is not beautiful like this, see? Okay, and if you want to delete this part also, you can just do it like this a little bit. See, this is the thing, how you can, okay, edit the things. And then you see that this color, you don't want to do it, then just click it like this and then mine is wrong already. This is wrong. So if you want to change it again, you can go for undo here. Undo means that it is wrong. Okay. So because sometimes if you make mistake, you can go for this undo. Undo means that you want to go back to again. So this is just this area. Okay. Now see only this area I am removing. Okay. For example, even this small area, if you want to remove, you can just delete this one small area. Okay. See like this. Okay, so these are the removing part. This is I click the remove, so I remove whatever the necessary I want to remove, I already remove it. But and look at here, this leaf, I want to include this leaf. So when you are going to add something, this is called adding, you have to add. When you check here, these are going to remove by looking at this picture. So what you are going to do it, if you want to include this again, you have to click the add here. Then you draw the line like this, because you are going to add this one. See, this is included now. And then after that, you are going to include this leaf. And then you just draw the line from here and then just this one, this area. Now this is included. But by looking at this one, then this part is going to add also. So we are going to remove this part again now. Okay, later. Now I want to add this small leaf also. Now this is added. Okay, so now one thing is that I'm going to remove this part now. And then here also I'm going to remove small part. So this is again depends on the user. Okay, you can adjust. I'm just showing you that, see, when you want to remove, just draw line this one. See, this is already removed like this. Okay, no need to be perfect. Just click the one line and then they will automatically remove. Okay, so this is really user friendly. So by looking at these pictures now, this is the line. By looking at the line, they are going to take out this girl picture starting from here. The head is here, the head is here. These lines are all connected. This one, this one, this one, and including this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing are also coming. And here, here, this line. So everything's, I'm satisfied currently now. Okay, so by looking at this line again, these hairs are going to delete because when I cut the line, this part is going to delete. So this is the thing. So that's why, and here also these hairs, small hairs are going to be deleted because the line is start from here. But no problem. As you know that we are just a student stage and then we are not really professional. But at least this is the, we can do at least some things. Okay. So then after you are satisfied with whatever you want part, then you go to the done here. So you have to only know that you have two icons, remove and add. Add is for the whenever part you need, just click the add and then just draw the line. Whenever you want to remove and then just click this remove button and then just come and delete it here. So now after you satisfy with your selection, this is your selection, click the done here, done. Okay, so this is the done. After clicking the done, then they say that this is whatever you choose. So see, you can just remove it. This is whatever you have chosen. Okay, so this is really interesting. This is you cut it from this original picture. So now what you are going to do, you just copy this one, right click and copy. Okay, and go to the menu and new. So when they are going to new, they ask you whether you want to save or don't save. No need to save because if you are going to use the later, then you can add it here. Without the background also you can add it. I'm just showing you. Or if you want to open, you want to edit and another background, also you can do it. Now I will show another thing also. If you want to paste it here, also no problem. This is there without the background. You are just bringing the girl here, but you don't want to put it under any background. See, this is the without the background girl now. Sometimes it is stuck. Now the girl is here, but without the background here. Okay, so then if you want to make it like the pictures or some of the pictures for the what? Passport photo or something like this, you can make it like this, transparent or something like this. So this is the thing. See, now the girls without the photo or without the background. Okay, so this is the things. So if you want to copy these things to the background one, then you can go to again also. This picture also you can save it. But if you want to copy and to the background, then you can open the new, don't save it. I'm just showing you. And then after that, you are going to browse the background color. This time I'm going to choose the garden. You know, the second one is the garden and then open. So this is the garden. And then I'm going to put the girls now. Just now I already copied the girls and then I paste it here. See, this is the girls. So you can adjust, you can put it everywhere as I say. Okay, you can adjust the girls. You can put it this place or you can put it this place or anywhere. Okay, again, you can adjust here by just dragging here. Okay, then this is the things. And then even you can adjust the girl size smaller or bigger. It is up to you. Okay, and again, this one also you can move it up or down or whatever it is up to you. Okay, and then now after I put it here, then you just click it anywhere. And then now I'm going to add this, whatever she hold it. I want to, my time is running out. Okay, the next thing is that I'm going to add the text now. Okay, as you say that after you combining the pictures, you have to give the name of the text. You can choose anything here, 3D text, and then you can choose anything here, any size, I mean, any, how you want it to be look like. Okay, you can choose anything. Okay, for example, I don't know, I just want to choose something. Some of the things cannot be readable, so, and then you can choose the color, which one is better, I don't know. I will just choose here the black color. Okay, and the size, font size will be right, for example, 12. Okay, then I will just click here, wherever you can put it, the text here, anywhere you can put it. Just click the text here and then I will say there, Girl in the garden or girl in the garden. 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 But sometimes see for the black color, it is not very, clear. So you can change the color here. For example, you can change to which color is better, you think? Green color. Green color at the back, green is also not very good. Maybe this color, we'll just choose this color then. Okay. Is it clear or not very clear? So you can choose any color, okay? And you can change. So and then I just write the text, girl and the garden, okay? And then the last thing I want to show is that you can add the 3D shape. Open the 3D shape here, and then you go to open the 3D library, okay? And here, I want to put the heart shape. So you just take heart, H-E-A-R-T, heart, okay? And enter. If you want to put the heart shape, you add enter. So there are many heart shape here. Okay, you can add a many heart shape there. Okay, so I choose the, because since she is holding like a balloon here, I choose this balloon. Okay, then this balloon is reading. So up to you, whatever you want to add. One of the things that I want you to add it there as a 3D shape. Okay, I have 7 minutes less, I think that because this is taking from the internet, 3D shape is a little bit, takes time because my connection is not very good. Just wait for it. Now it's okay now. So you can adjust this shape, okay? Because I want to put the girls holding the balloon here. Okay, because the girl is here. You can adjust the things that whatever you want. The girl's holding the balloon. Okay, you can even adjust these things up or down. This is up to you. Even you can make it a smaller one, no problem. Okay, so that's why this is there. Very interesting. And then it is not difficult at all. Okay, so this is the thing. You can make the small balloon or whatever it is up to you. So these are the only things. Is it okay, students? Whatever I teach you today, I will upload it in the YouTube and then I will put it in there. Maybe now I will upload it and then after 15 minutes, maybe you can see the link and the model. Is it okay, students? Is it doable, right?
Okay, Doctor.
Interesting. It is interesting, right, students?
Okay.
Huh? Inshallah will be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, inshallah. It is very easy, inshallah. Okay, so try it yourself, and it is interesting for you, okay, to do it for your, the brothers or whatever it is, okay, even for yourself, okay, if you wanted to do it, inshallah. Okay, so just that today, okay, just that today, and then again, now after I finish, I will upload YouTube and the YouTube, the recording link, and then I will put it there. So that if you want to watch again when you forget some part, then you can see it, inshallah. Right? Any questions? I will stop it here.
No.
No.
Okay, I will stop it and then I will upload. Then after maybe 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you can see the link and the model. If you want to do it, when you want to do the project, then you can do it later, inshallah. Okay, so this is again 5 marks project. Okay, but not all the students are here because you are only 2 of you. Maybe next class I have to do it again, or I don't know, I have to explain again or not. We will see, inshallah. Okay, I will stop here now. Okay, happy weekend, inshallah. Okay, take care.